We are in conversation with Shri R.K. Verma, Director Tourism Jammu. Hello sir, and thank you for welcoming us in J&K Travel Mart 2015. Firstly, my question would be how positive you think the response was in this year's Travel Mart. This is a one-of-a-kind organization, as in event that you organized. So how do you think it went?
In the 3-day event, Jammu and Travel Mart, which was organized for the first time after 88, the response from the participants, from the foreign delegates, from the Indians, and from the local, non-local associations, it was tremendous response. We were really overwhelmed by the response shown by the participants.
Great. After the last year's disaster, you think 2015 will be a positive year for in terms of tourist influx, both domestic and international?
As we are always saying through media, the incident which last year took place, that was unfortunate, and some of the infrastructure was impacted due to the unprecedented floods. But we are always saying that only 10% of the infrastructure, that too in the Srinagar city low-lying area, was affected. Rest of the infrastructure in the entire state, if we talk of Srinagar, if we talk of Pahalgam, Gulmarg, if we talk of Jammu, the entire tourist infrastructure was in place. And the infrastructure which was the 10% I am talking of, which was damaged, that was also restored within 2 months by the owners.
Yes. So when we talk about disaster, we also need to talk about sustainable tourism. How do you think Kashmir is developing itself in terms of sustainable tourism?
You know, Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir particularly, is a world-known traditional tourist destination. It doesn't need any marketing. But due to some unfortunate incidents after 89, it got hit, and now the things, you know, have been normalized, and it has started rebounding back. And with the efforts of the government and the tour and travel industry and all the stakeholders, we are hopeful that it will sustain as it was.
Great. And also Kashmir promoted itself in terms of spiritual and adventure tourism, which we even heard in the conference. Are you hopeful about the different strategies that have been taken up?
You know that Jammu and Kashmir has 3 distinct regions, Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu is traditionally known as a pilgrim tourist destination. That was the main tourism product. Kashmir known for leisure tourism product, and Ladakh for adventure tourism. Because of the predominance of these 3 tourism products for the 3 regions of the state, many there are unexplored destinations which now the department is trying to explore them and creating infrastructure in those destinations and promoting them in a high way, so that the tourists who come over here, they not only visit these traditional places but also visit the unexplored destinations.
Great. And talking about the mines destination, you think Kashmir is a promising mines destination?
Sure, there is no doubt about that. We have infrastructure here, a lot of infrastructure. The place we are standing here, it's an excellent place for mines tourism.
Great. And my last question would be to you, sir. Are you promoting Kashmir, Jammu and Srinagar both, I'm talking in generic terms, over the digital platform of the social media campaigns?
Sure. We are exploiting all the platforms available, whether it is Facebook, whether it is social media, whether it is electronic or press media. All the platforms we are going to utilize to the optimum.
Great. Thank you for talking to Travel and Tour World. Thank you for your precious time.